Guys, so yeah, doing a test on these injectors. The first one seems to pop at 2050 psi, which is exactly on the mark where we want. Now let's look at the pattern. Very, very narrow triangle pattern. No peeing. Just get the ball off here. Doesn't seem to be any leaking. The pressure is going down slightly, but that's because it's coming out of the return line when enough pressure is built up. So yeah, I'd say this one's a pass. Let's get on to the next one. Alright, this is the injector number 2. I'm not sure which cylinder they all belong to because I forgot to label them, but this is the second one I'm working on. So it should be popping at about now, but ooh, no good. It's popping a little later than it should be. Let's take a look at the pattern. It's got a sort of peeing out at 2 different angles and then firing. So yeah, this injector will need to be rebuilt. Maybe with a new nozzle, maybe not. Alright, this is injector number 3. Should go at 2050. That's not right, it's going at 2100. And notice how it's not a chattering noise. Let's take a look at the pattern, what it's doing. So yeah, it's going in kind of like a stream, like a peeing, rather than the fine mist spray. And then afterwards, it has a last tiny little bit at the end there. I'm going to take this off so you can get a good look. Yeah, it's no good. Alright, this one's rebuilt as well. Alright, so this is number 4. Let's see when she is going. So 2050 it seems to open up but not do the full release until 2100. Let's take a look at the pattern. So see how it's got the peeing thing? That's not good. Yeah, this injector is bad. This is injector number 5, the last one out of all of them. So let's see when she pops. So yeah, it's popping about 50 psi to 100, higher than it should be. Let's check out the pattern. So yeah, some weird peeing going on there. Yeah, so 4 out of 5 of these need to be rebuilt. So I'll just rebuild all of them. And my little fix worked. So I just put, silicone sealant around the top tester. Because this thing cracked up. This thing cracked on both sides, as you can probably tell. So yeah, just partially fill it because I know the bottom section's good. Yeah, thanks guys, and I'll see you in the next video.